off that zone. I hope that helps. Serenity, no, not flat for the month. I just took my first trade of the week, first trade of May today. We've been talking about it here on Euro AUD. Here's the P&L, everybody, if you want to see this again. In at 28, out at 10 with half the trade. You can see the entry is marked at 28. It's actually a little low right there. So not a bad move. It's all about good risk reward. My stop was about 7 pips. So I was able to get about 3R to ADR, which is why it made sense to me. This was a 15-minute A1 entry with a 1-minute signal. So I got the 15-minute entry, like the formation right here to present, and I got in about an hour later because I was able to go to the 1 minute here and find tighter risk reward with my entry right here off that 50. And now what we should pay attention to, and this is what I'm going to watch as we go into the rest of the morning, what we're going to look at is this bullish divergence forming. Now it's on the 1 minute, so it doesn't really want to scare me. You don't want to just get out because of that. But now layering this, it's bullish divergence. If this TDI, this liquid 50 particularly, pulls back up above a 50 value, that's going to be a sign that it's probably beat. Also, you want to notice it's showing this divergence at this key level, which is ADR, average daily range. A really strong support and resistance level to me is average daily range. If it only moves 80 pips on an average day, like this one, I think it's 86 pips. Now that it's moved 86 pips, why would I want to hold the full trade anticipating it's going to keep falling? No, you can't live like that. You have to be unbiased. It's at its average daily range. It's already having bullish divergence present on the 1 minute. It's very close to overbought already today. So we could definitely be slowing down here and be heading up towards my stop loss. If it breaks the 8 EMA with a 15-minute close, in 13 minutes, we'll see if we get one. If it breaks the 8, I'm going to take half off of what I still have in. Either way, I can't lose any money because half the trade was closed at ADR. You can see it right here in my notes. And the stop is locked. So I can't lose any money. It's always just about knowing your risk, knowing when you would want to get out of the trade if it's not working, and then mitigating that risk as the trade works in your favor. That's made a big difference for me in the last 3 years with that focus.